Hello children, welcome to today's session. I hope everyone completed your home fund. Isn't it? Yes. Everyone take your Maths Studio children. Take pencil along with you. We can move to the lesson. Okay. Yes. Now see here Kanna. Here I have drawn Raman's water bottle. Okay. Here Raman's water bottle is there. And here Suresh water bottle is there. Okay. So whose water bottle is filled fully? Yes, very good. Raman's water bottle is filled fully. Yes. Raman's water bottle is filled fully. Yes. Now how Suresh water bottle looks like? How it is filled? Yes, Suresh water bottle is filled only half of its capacity. Okay, only half of the water bottle only the liquid is filled. Either water. The liquid means either it may be water or juice or oil. Okay, that is we call it as a liquid items. Liquid means what Kanna? Liquid means water or juice or oil items. That we call it as a liquid. Okay, so Suresh water bottle is filled only half of its capacity. Okay, now see here they have asked one question. The capacity of whose bottle is more than the dash bottle? So here out of these two, whose bottle is filled more? Check it and tell me. Whose water bottle is filled fully? Yes, Raman's water bottle. Okay, so that we are telling as Raman's water bottle is more than the Suresh water bottle. Just we are comparing these two. Okay, so already we have learned comparing the numbers. Isn't it like that? We are comparing these two persons' water bottle. So what we are telling? Raman's water bottle is more than the Suresh water bottle. While you are comparing to the Suresh water bottle, whose water bottle is more? Yes, very good. Raman's water bottle. Okay. Yes, that only they have written in words. See here, the capacity of Raman's bottle is more than the Suresh bottle. Okay. Yes. Now see here, one more comparison. We can tell Suresh water bottle is less than the Raman's water bottle. Okay, shall we tell like that? See, the capacity of whose bottle is less than the dash bottle. So, the capacity of Suresh water bottle is less. With whom we are comparing? Yes, we are comparing with Raman's water bottle. So, Suresh water bottle, the capacity of Suresh water bottle is less than the Raman's water bottle. That only we have written in words. See here, the capacity of Suresh water bottle is less than the Raman's water bottle. Okay, just we are comparing these two bottles, less and more. So which bottle is filled fully? That we call it as a more. Okay, and which bottle is filled less? Filled half of its capacity, that we call it as a less. Okay. And now see here Kanna. Next we can learn the word maximum. Okay. What is meant by maximum? Maximum is the largest quantity. What is meant by maximum? Maximum is the largest quantity. Okay. Spell this word along with me. M-A-X-I-M-U-M. Maximum. M-A-X-I-M-U-M. Maximum. So maximum means more. Okay. We call it more amount of liquid. We call it as a maximum. So this is the another word. New word we are learning. Okay. And see Kanna. Next one. Minimum. Okay. What is meant by minimum? Minimum is the smallest quantity. What is meant by minimum? Minimum is the smallest quantity. Okay, spell this word. M-I-N-I-M-U-M. Minimum. Once again repeat. M-I-N-I-M-U-M. Minimum. Okay, so minimum means less or low. Okay, so this is the another word for minimum. Low or less quantity only we call it as a minimum. Now see here one more question Kanna. Whose bottle has the maximum capacity? See whose bottle has maximum capacity. What is meant by maximum? Maximum means more. So whose bottle is filled more? Yes, very good. Raman's water bottle. So Raman's water bottle only more than the Suresh bottle. So whose water bottle, who has the maximum capacity? Yes, Raman's water bottle has the maximum capacity. Raman's water bottle has the maximum capacity. You want to write here. You want to write the Raman's water bottle has the maximum capacity. Okay, Kanna? So maximum means that is the another word for more. Okay, maximum means more quantity. Yes. Now see the next question. Whose bottle has the minimum capacity? Whose bottle has the minimum capacity? Minimum means low or less. Yes. Now see, compare these two. Whose bottle is less? Yes, very good. Suresh water bottle. Okay, Suresh water bottle is less when it is compared to the Raman's bottle. So, Suresh water bottle has the minimum quantity. So, whose bottle has the minimum capacity, Kanna? Suresh water bottle has the minimum capacity. Okay, so we are comparing those two persons' water bottle and just we are writing. Okay, yes. Now everyone take your max studio, page number 72. See, now we are going to see the look around activity 4.4. Okay. Yes. Now see here, Kanna. Here they have given the questions in terms of 4. Look at the water bottles that you and your team members have. Okay. So, for example, I have showed you Raman's and Suresh water bottle. Isn't it like that? You can take yours and your mom's also. Your water bottle and your mom's water bottle, which is more and less. Okay, and you can compare and you can write this. Okay, Kanna? See, the capacity of whose bottle is more than the dash. So that means if you're having the water bottle which is filled fully, you want to write your name in this dash. Okay, and suppose if your mom having less amount of liquid in the water bottle means you want to write the capacity of your name. Okay, write your name's bottle is more than your mother's name. Okay, like that you can compare in your home. Yourself and for your mom you can compare and you can write your name and your mom name. So whose bottle having more capacity, you want to write their name here. Who is having less quantity, you want to write their name here. Okay, Kanna? So, in the note, we have learned Raman's and Suresh water bottle. So, I am writing their name itself. Okay. So, here for example, I am writing Raman's and Suresh water bottle itself. And you can write your name and your mother's name also. You can compare and you can do. Okay. In your home, you can do it and you can check the take 2 water bottles and you can fill one water bottle fully and another water bottle less, half of its capacity, and you can compare and you can write. That will be help you to understand easily. Okay. Yes. So, now see here. So, you have to write. For example, I have showed you Raman's and Suresh water bottle. That's why I am writing their names. Okay. Now see here, Kanna, maximum and minimum quantity we have learned. And just underline these sentence. Maximum is the largest quantity. And minimum means, minimum is the smallest quantity. So maximum means more. So that is the another word for maximum. And minimum means less or low. That is the another word for minimum. Okay. So in these two, whose bottle has the maximum capacity? We have seen no. Yes. So Raman's bottle has the maximum capacity. You want to write Raman's name. See here. Whose bottle has the maximum capacity? Raman's bottle. And whose bottle has the minimum capacity, Kanna? Yes, very good. Suresh bottle. Superb. So, Suresh bottle has the minimum capacity. Either you can write their name, otherwise you can write in the sentence also. Okay, and see here, can I see the fifth question? Arrange the bottles in order of minimum capacity to maximum capacity. So, arranging the bottles, what is the another name for minimum? What we saw? Low. Okay, low or small. Yes. Okay, low or small, and maximum more or large. These are the another word. Okay. Yes. So, you want to arrange the bottles in order of, see, from small to large. Can you remember, Kanna? So, arranging the numbers from small to big, we call it as? Yes, superb da. Ascending order. Yes, very good. Okay, so arranging the numbers from small to big, small to large means we call it as a ascending order. Like that, they are asking you to arrange the bottles in order of minimum small to large, maximum capacity. So you want to draw the water bottle here. Okay, so first you want to draw the minimum capacity of water bottle. See here, Kana, you want to draw the water bottles like this. Okay, minimum means half of its capacity. So this we call it as a minimum. Maximum means which the water bottle is filled fully, we call it as a maximum more. Okay, like this you want to draw. Now everyone take companion. It's the time for home fun, Kana. Take companion. Page number 26. Okay, so page number 26. Now see here, we are going to see the 4B activity. 4B home fun. Take the container that has more liquid in it. So, in first question, they have given two vessels. Okay. In these two, which container has more liquid, that you want to put a tick mark. Okay. So, the first one, it is filled fully, and the second one is less than the full. Okay. Less than the full of its capacity, only low. So, which is filled fully, that you want to put a tick mark. Okay, see here in second figure, out of these two vessels, which bowl is filled fully, Kana? No, you cannot tell. Yes, very good, because the first bowl is filled only less, and this also, it is not filled fully, somewhat less than that. Okay, so this is also not filled fully. And see, out of these two, okay, like that, you want to put a tick mark. See, tick the container that has more liquid in it. So, which container out of these two, which container has more liquid, you put a tick mark. See, in these two, which container has a more liquid, you put a tick mark. Okay, yes. And in these two, which container has more liquid, this or this, you want to compare and you want to put a tick mark. Okay, so complete this home fun and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay, Kanna? Now see children, next we are going to see the hands-on activity 4.5. Okay, so in teams of 3, collect the following materials. Suppose if you are in class, means it will be very enjoyable thing. Okay, so with your friends, we can do this activity by enjoying. Okay, so you are in home. Okay, so you are in home, so you can check by using these 3 vessels. Okay, so your bottle, see what they have given, 3 containers as shown in the given image. Okay, so you want to collect these 3 containers. So the first one is your bottle, your bucket. Okay, so you want to fill the bottle. Okay, you want to fill the bottle with water, and by using any of these 3 containers, out of these 3, okay, you want to choose any one container to fill the bottle. Okay, do you understand, Kanna? See, I am repeating once again. So, you want to take these 3 containers to fill the bottle and bucket. Okay, so to fill the bottle with water, which container will you use? that you want to select. See here, collect water in the bucket. So in the bucket you want to collect water. Each team members uses one container each to fill the bottle to its full capacity. Okay, so you can take water in the bucket. Okay, so you can fill water in the bucket, and now what you want to do? You want to fill the bottle. You want to fill a water bottle by using these three containers. In these three, any one you can select and you want to fill the water bottle. Okay, so see here the container chosen by me. So out of these three, which container will you select to fill a water bottle? So in these three, so mug is a big thing and this is a bowl. This is also a very large bowl. So to fill a water bottle, we can take this glass. Okay, so that will be comfortable to fill in the water bottle. So I am writing here the container chosen by me, a glass. Okay. So here I am writing a glass. I am taking this a glass. Now see here the number of bowls. Okay, so few of them may take bowls or mug. So number of glasses of water I need to fill the bottle. So how many glasses of water, okay, we need to fill the water bottle? So that you want to write here. Okay, in your home you can take one water bottle kanna. Okay, and you can select out of these three containers, you can select any one container, either a bowl or glass or mug. Here I am selecting a glass. Okay, so how many glasses of water can able to fill the water bottle? That you want to write in this dash. Okay, so the number of glasses of water I need to fill the bottle is 2. Okay, so 2 glasses of water I can able to fill the water bottle. That you want to write it here. Now see here the next question. The capacity of the bottle is dash container. Actually, the capacity of the bottle is which container can out of these three? Either a bowl or tumbler or mug. Which container? Yes, glass. So that only we have used here. So you want to write which container. So the capacity of the bottle is 2 glass containers. Okay. So we are using 2 glasses of water to fill the bottle, and the capacity of the bottle is 2 glasses of water. And which container we are using? Glass. That you want to mention here. Okay. So here I am selecting for water bottle. I am taking a glass. In your home you can check. Either you can use a mug or bowl. So how many mug? Either one mug you can able to fill the bottle, or half of the bowl, or you can able to fill the bottle. You can check. Okay, Kanna? Yes. So you can do this in your home also. Okay, you will be enjoying doing this activity. Yes. Next see, we are going to see the look deep activity 4.6. See which container will you use to measure the capacity of a water bottle. Okay, so to measure the capacity of water bottle, which container will you use? See, would you use a spoon to measure the capacity of a water bottle? Will you use a spoon Kanna to measure the capacity of a water bottle? No, because spoon is a very small thing. So only a small amount of water only you can able to fill, isn't it? So you want to put a no. Tick mark for the no option. Why Kanna? So which container will you use to measure the capacity of water bottle? Either you can write a glass, okay, or a mug. You can write anything. Okay, here I am writing glass. Okay, you can write a glass or mug. In your home, you can check out of these three which container will be helpful to you to fill the water bottle. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Okay, ma? Do the home file. We can see in the next session. Bye.